Hello and welcome to Opendemia, where we make research and writing easier. When you are in your library, start by following the prompts and create a new project. Then, while adding sources within that project, you name the source, add the course the paper is for, and select the type of citation. Then auto-generate the citation, but be careful to fill in any basic information that is missing. Before submitting, you can jot down why you decided this source would be useful, and even attach a PDF version of the source to access on another computer. Once added, you will have the ability to take notes on each source, pulling out a quote or image you want to use, where you found it in the source, and a comment on why you think it will be beneficial to your paper. When you start writing your paper, you will be able to reference back through all of these notes, adding the quote or comment to your paper along with the in-text citation that was generated for you, and mark it as used. When you have finished adding in all the quotes you want to use from a source, you can mark that source as used so it shows up in your final works cited. Then, when you have used all the sources you want, you hit Download Works Cited, select the correct folder, and copy and paste the citation style you need into your paper. Now let's get started.